Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing of my new gadget, Y 4K Plus action camera, and I'm so excited to open it. This was the first 4K camera to provide you 4K videos in 60 FPS resolution, and it has electronic stabilization and it produces raw photo format. It comes with a waterproof casing and so let's start with it. See, it is 4K and 60 FPS, AMBA to SoC, USB Type-C cable, electronic stabilization, image stabilization, raw format for photos, Bluetooth 4.0 and waterproof to 132. This is ytechnology.com and let me clear from somewhere. Ta-da! So it has this sticker. Thank you for choosing YE. And this is some advertising for some other camera. Thank you for choosing. And it also says like they recommend this memory cards to support like 4K videos. Type-C microphone cable, some more instructions, limited warranty. This is the instruction how to mount the waterproof case with selfie stick, how to use waterproof case, then in some other language, and in some other language Spanish and Italian. This is what we have in camera kit again. Lot of fun. Okay, so here we have the camera. Place for tripod. Try to stop. This camera case, waterproof case. It okay. As you can see, this is how we open it. Really? And place it inside. Close it. Cable. You see, Type C cable. Oh, it comes with a battery. And this is, I think, for the microphone. So guys, actually it was stuck in the waterproof casing, so I had to pause the video to take it out. So I'll show you again. So I'll put this camera inside like this. Oh wait, before that, see, we need to put the camera inside like this. Close it properly. See, you need to do it like this, done. See, and if you want to take it out, just do this. See? Another thing, you want to take out this battery cover, to insert the battery. So you need to push this and pull it outside. This, yeah, fantastic. See, that's how you do it, baby. And now you put the battery like this. Close the battery and turn on the camera. So it says no card now, right now, but I want to change this to 4K HD. Let me see the options. 4K 30 FPS, 24, 48. Oh, there you go. 60 FPS. You can change this metering mode to center. Okay, the field of view is only wide. Auto low light on. Video quality is medium. Oh, I'll change that to high. White balance is auto. Let me change that as well, because right now I have this tungsten light, right? So it will change that. Color, I'll keep it Y color. Let's see the options. Okay, flat and Y color. Shutter is auto, or okay, 1/240 seconds. I'll keep it auto as of now. ISO max, we have 400, 800 till 6400. Okay, I'll keep it auto. Now ISO, no. Sharpness medium. Electronic stabilization is not enabled. So to enable the electronic stabilization, you need to change this resolution from 4K 60p to 4K 30p FPS. Now let's go and check the electronic stabilization. See, it's enabled, so you can turn on. Ta-da! What else we have apart from these? 4K HD resolution, 30 FPS, 4K Ultra. So this is for the ultra wide angle, and it also doesn't give you electronic stabilization, that 4K Ultra. So you need to keep it in 4K 3840 into 2160. You have 4 options: 24, 30, 48 and 60 FPS. Then you have 2.7K. In 2.7K you have 24, 30, 48, 60. It's a nice touch screen. Yeah, it's good. 2.7K 30 FPS Ultra. This is 4.3 ratio. 14, 40, we have 60 FPS. 1080p. We have till 120 fps, and they have 960 as well. 60 fps in 120. 720 is available in 240 fps. You see, wow. And even 720 ultra is also in. Now it's in 120 fps. And I don't know who uses this 480. But yeah, nice. So I'll just keep it to this resolution. Keep it to best, which is 60 fps 4K. Avin keep it aside. So this is your camera. Right now there is no card, so metering mode, video quality, shutter, there's all the options. File size is 4GB. What is that? Oh, you can change it from here as well. See, you can change the mode of the video from here. Click here, and you have photo mode, then you have photo, timer mode, 12 megapixel timer, burst mode, video, time lapse video, and slow motion. Battery is very low. They didn't give me the full battery. So what I'll do now, I will test it and post the review videos in some time. Alright, so keep watching, guys. So now I will put it again inside this box, waterproof case. And now I'll take out these accessories. So I can start using it with my tripod. Let me unmount my camera from this tripod. It's a very old camera, I bought it almost 10 years ago. So guys, this was the unboxing video of YE 4K Plus. I hope you liked it, and if you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for coming videos, because a lot of 4K videos are on the way.